We're going to continue on with arthropods in the 5 classes. We went through arachnids, centipedes, millipedes. Today, our focus is going to be insects. So number 4, insects, we're just kind of continuing on. Write this down. This is the largest class of all animals. Largest meaning there's the most animals in it. If you think of all the insects, all the little flies and ants and mosquitoes, all of those things fall into here. It's a pretty big class. They have 3 body regions: a head, a thorax, which would be a chest, and then an abdomen. I kind of think of an ant with 3 sections, 3 regions, 3 body regions. They have 3 pairs of legs, 6 total legs. And they usually have wings. Some have 1, some have 2 pairs of wings. Write this down. They have simple eyes that can detect light, and some of them have compound eyes which detect color and movement. And they have an open circulatory system, which means there's no vessels, veins, blood just kind of sloshes around. So you guys are probably familiar with that guy, Albert Einstein. That's how you see him. That's how an insect sees him, with compound eyes. Each eye kind of makes part of a picture. It's not important that an insect can see in detail. It's important that they can see movement. Okay, if you've tried sneaking up behind a fly, they always know that you're coming because they have all of those eyes, all those compound eyes that can see in all directions. Now, it can't read your shirt and tell you exactly what your shirt looks like or what you look like, but it can see that you're moving behind it, and it'll get out of there before it's in danger. Insects do this thing called metamorphosis. I would probably write all this down. Metamorphosis is a change. You guys are probably familiar with complete metamorphosis, so we'll talk about that first. It's a big change. Okay, an animal goes from an egg, we'll use a caterpillar and a butterfly. That is a complete metamorphosis. It starts as an egg, it hatches, it becomes a larva, which is the caterpillar, and then it hatches into the adult. Okay, butterflies, the common one, moths are like that. Bees, ants, flies. Okay, a fly lays an egg, it hatches, and it's a maggot. It gets bigger and bigger, and then it goes through a change and becomes a fly. The baby looks nothing like the adult. That's a complete metamorphosis. Incomplete, it's a change, but it's smaller. Egg, nymph, adult. Example, a grasshopper. Okay, a grasshopper lays eggs, they hatch little grasshoppers. Maybe you've seen these before. You've been in tall grass, you see these itty bitty grasshoppers. Those are what they call nymphs. They're baby grasshoppers. And then they will molt, they'll grow and molt, shed their outside skin a few times until they get bigger and bigger until they're full-size grasshoppers. You can tell, you can look at a baby and look at an adult and see that, hey, these two are related. So we have complete and incomplete metamorphosis. One is big change, one is little change. That is it.